listen. We all been there. That's why I'm
Man.
laughing at it, because I've been there. I mean,
Right.
like, when I talk to folks, please rest assured, when you come and talk to me, there is no judgment of where you've been and what you've done, because those mistakes you've made, those are war wounds. Those are signs that you've been doing something. You've been trying, and you're learning, right? And so people will say, you know, well, my credit score is this, and then they'll try to explain, like, it's okay. It's okay. We've all been there. My credit score has been up. It's been down. It's been up again. It's been down again.
Right.
You know.
That's a beautiful thing about your credit is you can, as many times as you can mess it up, you can fix it. You know.
Exactly.
You got to understand that, like you said, Devontae, we've all been there. Nobody started off perfect. I don't think anyway. That definitely don't run in my family, but but I think we've all had to learn along the way that, you know, like you said, create some war wounds, get some battle scars while you're learning what's going on. But that's definitely not a reason to stop yourself. That's just, I always tell potential clients, when you're going through the process of getting qualified, whether it be for a home or a finance for your business, whatever news that you receive is going to be good news.